I thought I'd make a quick video on a Kaba lock, how to change a code. Do you have a Kaba code that somebody gave you on a vacation rental? This is on a vacation rental condo. If they give you some long number and it's a 6-digit number and you don't like that number and you want to change it, you can. First off, you're going to press in your number, okay, your 6 digits, then you're going to hit the pound button down here, and then you're going to put in the 6 digits that you want to have on there, and that's as simple as it is. Then next time you get up to the door, you can press in your favorite code and know that you don't have to keep getting out your phone and punching in this crazy number that you can never for the life of you remember. Okay, there's a tip for you when you get ready to change out a Kaba code. And here's another thing too. You press in a number and you make a mistake and you think, oh, wait a minute, I know what the number is. Don't change it yet. Don't start out until the red light goes on. You see that red light just came on? Now it's reset. Now go ahead and punch in the proper number, because if you punch in the number before that red light comes on, it's not going to recognize it. You can do it 2 or 3 times in a row, and then guess what? It thinks you're an intruder, and it's going to lock you out of the condo for maybe 5 minutes to 15, 20 minutes, depending how many times you kept pressing in that number, and you're all pissed off and you can't get in. Now you have to call the management company, security, whoever, because for the life of you, every time you press in the number, it doesn't work. Okay, there's a tip for you.